Stop right there. If you're using Eroxon Gel but not getting the results you want, chances are you're applying it wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact method urologists recommend to apply Eroxon Gel for maximum hardness, faster action, and longer performance. And trust me, most men never hear this secret. Here's the shocking truth. 80% of men who complain that Eroxon Gel doesn't work are just making one critical mistake during application. They either apply too much, too little, or at the wrong time. And that's exactly why they see little to no improvement. But the right technique can change everything. And I'm about to reveal it step by step. According to top urologists in the US, Eroxon Gel is scientifically designed to activate in under 60 seconds. But only if you apply it properly. Here's the secret, it's not about how much you apply but how and where you apply it. Stick with me. Because in the next 60 seconds, I'll show you the doctor-approved method that can double the effectiveness of Eroxon Gel instantly. Alright, here's the exact technique. Number 1. Clean and dry first. Always wash and gently dry the area before application. Oils, sweat, or residue can block absorption. Number 2. Correct amount. Use a pea-sized drop only. More gel does not mean more results. In fact, excess can actually reduce effectiveness. Number 3. Targeted application. Massage the gel evenly around the shaft, paying special attention to areas where blood flow is highest. Number 4. Timing is everything. Apply 5 to 10 minutes before activity. Applying too early or too late can weaken your results. Do this right, and you'll notice a faster response, harder performance, and longer-lasting results. Listen, if you've been frustrated with Eroxon Gel, stop blaming the product, and start fixing the technique. Thousands of men are seeing dramatic improvements just by following this doctor-approved method. Pro tip: combine this technique with a healthy lifestyle, better sleep, hydration, and stress control, and your results will skyrocket. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more men's health secrets, and check out my other video where I compare Eroxon Gel versus Viagra. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.